Ladies and gentlemen, coming from Jamaica, we have a poet, a creative. He wears so many hats, we can't even start to talk. But tonight, it's an honor and a pleasure to have no other than Amaziyah the Great. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Amaziyah the Great from Jamaica, the epicenter of global performance dub poetry. Amaziyah, welcome to center stage.
Blessings and respect. It's a pleasure, it's a joy, it's an honor. Ras Atiba, maximum respect. Peter Shiloh, Tanya, big up yourself. All of the fans them all over the globe, Antonia Valier, all the people in the audience, Ethan, big up yourself. The players of instruments, maximum respect. I'm gonna drop some poems, but before you start play any form of rhythm, you can't just play something simple. I'm gonna go like an emotional type of vibe, and I'll try vibe to that. Just something simple. The conversation grew heated after she found out he had cheated. She said, 3 years now I've been faithful. Now I'm becoming so hateful. She said, I hate men forever. I should have killed Trevor. Yeah, put a bullet in his brain. Baby, I'll take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? She said, Craig, you're not going to understand me. You can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9. It really shattered my mind. A decade after I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister. So he had sex with his best friend and WhatsApp him the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt. Later start attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor. Threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be a disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men. Her heart is now cold. I offered a hug. She squeezed me tightly, saying, thank you, Mr. Kirkland, for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV? Sad reality of what's happening to some of our women in our world today. But with that note, me just have to tell them, say, yeah, ladies, you'll be okay. And this is the name of the next one. My book is on Amazon called Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. You are remarkable. You are strong. You are one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you will never go wrong. You are smart. You are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. The skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moments, you experience pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused. Be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong move. Are you feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied? Fret not, for Jah already sent an angel to be your traveler guide. You'll be okay, okay? Just know that God is real. After you overcome sophisticated phase, will be the strongest you ever feel. You are remarkable. You are sweet. Ladies, trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more. You'll be okay. Forget about them who don't believe in you because you have no time to play. You are a fighter, a survivor who resists to quit. Ladies, you are loved. A queen, you are a goddess. You deserve lifetime happiness. Tell them precisely. For our children to know, Ras Atiba. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You will encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop. Aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes. Still, I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, man, I discuss and I mix up and I partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fairness among all human race. Notice this face, man, a lip trace. I will never disgrace my people for position. Murder empower you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are a reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. Tell them precisely. The next one is called sick. I am sick. Thank you very much. I am sick. Ras Atiba, no joke. Pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promotes me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If I never stratosphere, you'd never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. I'm sick of crying tears and no one to talk to. Johnny hear me grumbling in the bathroom and asks, Daddy, who want you to argue? I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news, fake information. Some sick and confusing fake education. Amaziyah the great views. We're living among a sick generation. Blessings and respect. Like I said, the book is on Amazon. It's called Don't Cry. And this one dedicated to my kids and my parents. Don't cry. Mama, don't cry. I'm gonna make this work. Never stop praying for us even when you're experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom. Inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen to this, I will not quit even if I have to keep crawling into the dirt. Don't cry. Dada, don't cry. You try to make things work. You're my first hero. You motivates me to serve. Son about a ball thinking I failed. Dad, I value your worth. You inspired me immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry. They never got it at first. So excited seeing Daddy's first merch. It's not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many people depending on me. I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm going to break this generational curse. Don't cry. Blessings and respect. So I'm going to drop two more and then I'm out of here because I got to go to Brooklyn tonight. Sorry, I'm in Brooklyn. Bronx. Eat and big up yourself. Yes, yes. Bless, respect. So this one is called Respect. And after I do Respect, I'm going to do Respect without no rhythms. And then I need a reggae vibe for the last one. Something hype, yeah? Respect. You're saying Bolt got bronze in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, bully for negative remarks, yell out. Wanna expect, sure respect because history was created. America bow down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep your negative remarks to yourself, don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. You see, the problem I encounter every day with my own race, but mine and envy smiling at my own face, sneakingly, creepingly want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance frown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. I'm pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. I try to get her attention, focus on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate but display more hate. Anger escalate, too much alarming crime rates. Your morals slowly deteriorate and that concerned me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer feeding on your souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourselves, remember you're not alone. So what go on? Can I get some love now? Oh, sorry, I guess you love your phones. Most of us don't understand how essential life is. We still don't waste time and don't know what time really is. If only one understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite. So why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hates? Can religion and politician make my people elevate? Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. Don't really make me drop one track. So big respect to all of the people that will come out tonight. Ras Atiba, all of the people in Jamaica who are tuning in right now. And all over Brooklyn, Bronx, Manhattan. See them peculiar look. See him peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner cry. See him peculiar look, you're wondering why. And nothing not gonna matter how me try. See him peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner cry. See him peculiar look, you're wondering why. And nothing not gonna matter how me try. Man, have no time for gamble, you know, tell me if it's show dice. Tired of me fed up of the suffer a poor life. No food, see him clothes, me in for 4 nights. Mama, she a ball, and now she gets sore rising at the depths. Some are trouble, some are semi-fit, no Christ. You miss to be rich, pushing Benz and Rolls Royce, elevate my people from this misery, lower life, educate and teach the youth them fi grow right. See them peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner cry. See them peculiar look, you wondering why. And nothing not gonna matter. Yo, I be moving on, no matter how them a chat me. Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, me see the heathen I watch. God about my side, none of them can shop. Moving on, no matter how them a watch me. Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, me see the heathen I watch. God about my side, none of them can trap. Them chatting about them rule, how them think them fool. Me waiting for the second when me hear the sound kaboom. Instead about me tell them cool, and wickedness resume. Me see it from afar, so them all getting doomed. You wish me not home? Come on, that too soon. Me just a get warm. You still not hear no tune. Me just start to bloom. No free take a zoom. If you think I'm at, no, that's just my fumes. Moving on, no matter how them are. I like the girls and the girls like me. That's what they're saying precisely. I like the girls and the girls like me. Me get girls just like 1, 2, 3. I like the girls and the girls like me. Me like she and she likes, hey, Stacy check I man. Me resting on my nan. She really rate the grade cause me seem like a nice one. I man I want, she want on her island. Me light up our world and make it sparks like diamond. Tell them precisely. Maximum respect. Ras Atiba, big up. In every aspect, eat and big up yourself. All you wonderful people. Maximum love and respect in every aspect. Ethan, players of instrument, the bands. Big up. Big up, big up.
Yes, put your hands together for no other than Amaziyah the Greater. Listen to the, 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 listen.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah the great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise for going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talk about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah The Great Collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah The Great Music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.